The GTX versus RTX debate is a common one when selecting a graphics card for gaming or other demanding jobs. NVIDIA's two series provide strong performance, but they target slightly different markets and price points. This video will examine the GTX versus RTX comparison, emphasizing pricing, features, and performance to assist you in selecting the model that best suits your needs. In the gaming community, GTX graphics cards have become standard equipment. GTX cards are a great option for players who seek a good gaming experience without going over budget because of their reputation for dependable performance and affordability. Due to its cost-effectiveness and performance balance, models such as the GTX 1660 and GTX 1080 have gained popularity. In contrast, NVIDIA's RTX graphics cards represent the next generation of their product line. Real-time ray tracing and AI-based improvements are brought to the RTX series, greatly enhancing both performance and visual fidelity. For gamers and professionals seeking the highest graphics performance, particularly in games that support ray tracing, cards like the RTX 3070 and RTX 3080 are developed. Let's take a look at the performance. RTX GPUs usually perform better than GTX cards in terms of raw performance. This is particularly true for modern games and apps that make use of the complex features of the RTX series. On an RTX card, for example, games that make use of ray tracing and DLSS will perform noticeably better, whereas GTX cards are still competitive, especially when it comes to older games and less graphically intensive apps. The performance difference between GTX and RTX is most apparent in situations where the RTX-specific features are utilized. Even with 1080p resolution, a top-tier GTX card can deliver an amazing gaming experience. When comparing the features of the GTX and RTX, the RTX series is undoubtedly superior. Ray tracing, which replicates the realistic interaction of light with objects, and DLSS, which employs artificial intelligence to upsample images from lower resolutions to higher resolutions, are built into RTX cards. Games and other applications' visual quality can be greatly improved by these capabilities. With or without these latest innovations, GTX cards provide good performance for the majority of tasks. While RTX cards use the most recent Turing or Ampere architectures, which include electronic components specifically made for ray tracing and AI activities, they are based on the older Pascal architecture. In terms of cost, GTX cards are often less expensive than RTX cards. Because of this, they are a desirable choice for gamers on a tight budget or those who don't want the newest features. Even though they cost more, RTX cards offer superior future-proofing because of their higher performance and more sophisticated capabilities. In the GTX versus RTX debate, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. GTX graphic cards are a great option for those looking for reliable performance at a lower cost. However, if you want the latest features and are willing to invest more, RTX graphics cards offer more superior performance and future-proofing with their advanced technologies.